Okay, my dear student, let's start chapter number 2, fractions and decimals of your NCERT book. These two words are you are familiar with this word. Fraction. Fraction, a number which we can write in A by B form, right? All the numbers which we can write in A by B form, all the numbers are called fractional numbers, right? And of course, you are also well aware with decimal, okay? The decimal numbers are also, you know very well which are they, right? Now here in this exercise 2.1, we are going to start question number 1 under the heading solve. Okay, what we have to solve here, you can see on your screen. The first we are given 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so how to solve? So simply here nothing means consider 1. Okay, you need to consider 1 and go with the LCM of 1 and 5. Okay, so here we need to mention next step, LCM of 1 comma 5. Sometimes we have to find, but here we can say LCM of 1 and 5, it will be 5. We can write it direct. Okay, so in such a case, with a small writing you need to mention this way. Here we need to multiply with 5 and here we need to multiply with 1. Fine, because 1 5 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So with the same number we are going to multiply numerator. So you can mention it here also this way, 2 into 5 and denominator 1 into 5. As we are multiplying it with that number, by which number we are multiplying here? I hope you understood that. Here we are multiplying with 5 and here we are multiplying with 1. Fine. So 2 5 ja 10, 3 1 ja 3. You can see here 10 minus 3 in numerator and denominator 5. Now why we are after all doing this procedure? Actually the denominator is not similar, means the given fraction is not in a like fraction. To bring them in like fraction, we have to go with the LCM procedure all the time. Clear? Now here you can see they are in like fraction. Why I am calling it like fraction? Because denominator now similar. Fine. So in numerator we have 10 minus 3 and here it is 5. What is 10 minus 3? That is 7. So I need to write that is 7 by 5. This is the solution of first part. Now in front of you, second question, you can see that is 4 plus 7 by 8. Fine. Now, as we know here, denominator nothing, so consider 1. We know that 1 and 8, are they in like fraction? No. So in such a case, we have to go with LCM. What is the LCM for 1 and 8? That is of course 8. The LCM of 1 and 8 will be 8. So in such a case, by which number should I multiply here and here so that I can have the like fraction? Okay, so simply I should say here it is 8 we want, so I need to multiply this 1 with 8 and this 8 with 1. Okay, so whatever number I have written with small writing, with the same number I am going to multiply numerator and denominator. Clear? So next step, what I have to do, 4 8 ja 32, 1 8 ja 8, 7 1 ja 7, 8 1 ja 8. You can see now both these fractions are in like fraction. Why they are like fraction? Because denominator now becomes similar. Correct? So we need to add the numerator and only one time we need to write denominator. So 32 plus 7 is 39. 39 by 8 is the answer. But actually this fraction is improper fraction. You know very well the fraction which is having numerator greater than denominator. Whenever numerator is greater than denominator, that fraction is known as improper fraction. Okay, beta. Once again, I am explaining. When numerator is greater than denominator, then that fraction is called improper fraction. And remember, dear student, improper fraction, when the answer will come in improper fraction, in such a case, we need to convert them into mixed fraction. Because if the answer is in proper fraction, we can't convert them into mixed fraction. But here answer is in improper fraction, so we need to convert them into mixed fraction. I am showing you the technique how to convert into mixed fraction. So numerator 39, it will be divided by 8. Let's recall the table of 8. We know 8 4 ja 32. Correct? 39 minus 32 gives the result 7. Fine. So in such a case, how to write in a mixed fraction? We need to write 4 here. First, this quotient we have to write here. Then this remainder here. And this divisor will be written in the denominator. So, the simplification or conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction, it means how to read 4 7 by 8. What should we read? 4 7 by 8. Sometimes we read 4 integers 7 by 8. It is also correct. But in simply, this mixed fraction can be read as 4 7 by 8. Clear to you? So, my dear student, let's work out on the third, that is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Okay, now all of you can see on your screen that here it is 5 and here it is 7. It means the given fractions, they are not in like fraction. They are unlike fraction, right? They are unlike fractions. So first of our duty to convert them into like fractions. So take LCM. LCM of which two number? That is 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7, that is coming 35. LCM of 5 and 7, that is coming 35. 5 7 ja 35. So in such a case, with a small writing, you mention 5 will be multiplied by 7 and here 7 will be multiplied by 5. So 5 7 ja 35, 7 5 ja 35. So a number will become this. See, this we are already given 3 by 5. Here plus, here 2, here 7. Now which number we are going to multiply to this? Of course 7 I have written. So divide and multiply both the things. Here also multiplying and dividing with the same number. And between that plus sign is there. So let's go with the next step. 3 7 ja 21. 7 5 ja 35. 2 5 ja 10. 7 5 ja 35. Now observe the denominator. Are they in like fraction? Yes, of course they are now in like fraction. What is the reason? You can see 35, 35, similar. So in such a case, we need to add only numerator and let's write the denominator single time. Whenever here it is equal, like in like fraction, we need to write it only one time. And let's add this. 21 plus 10 gives the result 31. Fine. 31 is a, please remember dear student, 31 by 35 is proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. That's why this is improper fraction. So this is proper fraction. This is proper fraction. So proper fraction, it's a value always between 0 to 1 for the positive number, and for negative number it's a value will be between -1 to 0. Okay. For proper fraction, the value of the number, proper fraction will be always between 0 to 1, and either it is negative number, then its value will be between -1 to 0. Clear to you? So we can say that the number proper fraction, its value always less than 1 or -1. So it means that this is which type of number? This is proper fraction, so the answer will remain same. We can't convert it into mixed fraction. So this is the answer. So my dear student, now let's work out on the fourth part. What we are given in the fourth, you can see on your screen, we are given 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Fine. Now observe here, are they in like fraction? No, because here denominator 11 and here it is 15. So in such a case, what we have to do? In such a case, we need to take out LCM. Fine. So let's go with that. We need to write LCM of 11 and 15. Fine. LCM of 11 and 15, then we need to say there isn't anything common between them. If you take out the LCM of these two numbers, both numbers are different. No such a common factor lies. So its LCM will come 165. Fine. Now it means that here 165 we want as a denominator. With that intention, here 11, this denominator will be multiplied by 15 and this 15 will be multiplied by 11. Okay, so let's apply our knowledge for that. So here you can see 9 by 11 minus 4 upon 15. So in that case, we need to multiply this side. This side I am multiplying with 15. This I am multiplying with 11. Here, so 15 9 ja. You know very well, when you multiply it in rough column. Then 15 9 ja, you will get 135. 15 into 11 already we know 165. This is the LCM. Minus 11 4 ja 44. Upon 15 into 11, 165. So 165 is denominator and in numerator 135 minus 44. Clear to you? So, okay, so 5 minus 4 is 1. 13 minus 4 is 91. So 91 upon 165. There isn't anything common in this. Okay, no such a common factor. This is only the standard form. Because if we once try, then the factor of 91 are 13 7 ja. 13 and 7 both are prime numbers. 165, its a factors already we know 11 into 15. So no such a common factor in numerator and denominator. So the simplification remains this much. Okay, and beside this you can see the answer is in proper fraction, because reason is numerator is less than denominator. Answer is in proper fraction, so we can't convert it into mixed fraction. So this is the solution only of this question. So my dear student, here you can see on your screen, the next question is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. This is the question. Once again I am telling you, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Okay, this is the question. Are they like fraction? First question. Then I should say no, because here 10, here 5, here 2. So we need to work out on LCM first. So we need to write LCM of here 3 numbers. Here 10, 5 and 2. LCM of 10, 5 and 2, it will be 10. Fine. If you find it in a rough column, then you will find it 10. How it is coming 10? You know how it is coming 10? I am showing you the LCM, how to find. So side by side you can show here 10, here 5 and 2. Let's work out upon that. All of you also do that. Wait. So the technique of finding the LCM, here I am showing you. First we need to divide by 10. We know 2 5 are 10. 5 will remain same. 2 1 are 2. You can see again we can divide with 5. So here 1, 1, 1. Fine. So all the way it is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means 10. So what we are going to do now? As we know that here I have 10. Here 10 I need to multiply with 1. 5 will be multiplied by 2. 5 2 are 10 and 2 will be multiplied by 5. So let me write the next step. I need to write 7 by 10. I need to write first. This is a 7 by 10. This number what we are having here with us 7 by 10. And plus here 2 by 5. And plus here 3 by 2. Fine. So how to go with that? Let's work out upon that. You know very well here this we need to multiply with 1. Here we need to multiply with 2. And here we need to multiply with 5. Right? So 7 1 just 7 upon 10. 2 2 just 4 upon 10. 3 5 just 15 upon 10. Here to you. Once again I am explaining what I have done. Look at your screen. Here 10. Here 5 2 just 10. 2 5 just 10. Right? All the way they are in like fractions. So first work we have to do to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Then we apply the procedure of addition or subtraction. So once only we will write here 10 and we need to add the numerator. So what do we have here? 7 plus 4 plus 15. Okay. So 7 plus 4 is 11 and 11 plus 15 it means 26. Yeah, let's do it again. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 15 26 by 10. Now is there any simplification possible? Yes, we can go with that. 26 can be written as 13 2 ja. Here it is 5 2 ja. What is common? 2 cancel. Okay, so only 13 by 5 left. Okay, again I can say this 13 by 5 is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. It is an improper fraction. So in such a case, if it is improper, then we need to convert it into mixed fraction. For that we need to divide 13 by 5. Here I am showing you the technique. 13 when we divide by 5, 5 2 cha 10. So here 13 minus 10 gives the result 3. So how to write this? We need to write this quotient, this remainder and here divisor. So 2 3 by 5. Here we need to write quotient, remainder and divisor. This is the conversion from improper fraction to mixed fraction. So this is our answer. Clear? Dear student, now in front of you the sixth question is there. The question is 2 by 3 plus 3 1/2. Okay. So how to sort out? How to do that? First you can see this question in that we are given this number in mixed fraction. So we need to convert it into improper fraction. Right? So how to go with that? Just look at your screen. 2 3 cha 6. Let's multiply this with this. 2 3 ja 6 plus 2. Numerator we need to add in that. 2 3 ja 6 plus 2 that is 8 upon 10. Upon 3. 2 3 ja 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 8 and this fraction denominator remains same. Plus 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2. Fine. How to convert this fraction, mixed fraction into improper. Now you can see here 3 and 2. Are they in like fraction? No. So in such a case we have to work out on LCM. So we need to work out LCM of 3 and 2. You know very well dear student, 3 and 2 different numbers, their LCM will become 6. Okay. So we need to multiply. This 6 will be to bring 6 as a denominator. 3 is already there. I need to multiply with 2 here. And this 2 3 just 6. Okay. So keeping this in our mind, let's go with this. Okay. Next step is 8. Here it is 3 plus 7. Now just look at your screen. We need to multiply this with what? This we are multiplying with 2. This is with 2. Here it is 3 and here it is 3. whatever with the small writing I have written, whatever the number I have written, we are working upon that on. 8 2 cha, what is 8 2 cha? That is 16. 3 2 cha, 6. 7 3 cha, 21. 2 3 cha, 6. Fine. So now they are in like fraction, right? So we need to add the numerator. Numerator is 16 plus 21, which gives the result 37. Okay, 37 divided by 6. Now there isn't anything common in 37 and 6 because 37 itself is a prime number. And you know very well, dear student, prime number is having only two factors. Which two factors? One is a factor of each and every number, and second is the number itself. Any prime number is having only two factors. They are 1 and number itself. Okay, so here 37 by 6, no more simplification. But as we know that 30 by 7 is a improper fraction, so we can convert it into mixed fraction. So for that 37 will be divided by 6. So dear student, we know 6 6 ja 36. 37 minus 36, so here it will be 1. So how to write this thing? We know this is quotient we are writing here, remainder in numerator, and divisor will be in denominator. So this is the technique 6 1 by 6. This is the conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. So here the answer for this question is coming 6 1 by 6. Yeah. So my dear student, in front of one more question, that is 7th question of question number 1. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. This is the question. Fine. So first our duty is to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So what will be the next step? 8 2 just 16 plus 1, 17 by 2. 8 3 just 24 plus 5. 24 plus 5 is 29. 1 8. Once again, 8 3 just 24. 24 plus 5, that is 29 by 8. Clear? Now let's work out on LCM. LCM of 2 and 8. What will be the LCM of 2 and 8? Of course, it will be 8. Okay? It will be 8. So by which number should we multiply here? So we know that 2 is here in denominator. So 2 4 ja 8. 8 is here, so we need to multiply by 1. 8 1 ja 8. Right? So next step, what should we write here? We need to write here 17 and this is 2. Minus, here it is 29 and this is 8. Okay, so 1 by 1, let's, with which number we are multiplying? Here we need to multiply and divide by 4. Here I have written 1, so I am going with 1. So you can see 17 4 ja. 7 4 ja 28. Carry over 1 4 ja 4 plus 2, that is 68. And 4 2 ja 8. 29 1 ja 29. 8 1 ja 8. Clear? Now they are in like fraction. Okay, denominator you can see it's similar. So let's write one time here, and in numerator 68 minus 29. So we know that 18 minus 9 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. So that is coming 39. You can cross check also. 9 9 ja 18. 1 carry over, 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. Okay, once you do the subtraction and whatever the number is coming, you can add in this, you will get again the main number 68. Right? Now 39 by 8, there isn't anything common, because as we know that 39 is having the factor. Which factor they are having? 13 into 3. And this 8 is having factor 2 into 2 into 2. So no such a factor is common. So this is the answer. But the answer is an improper fraction. So we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So 39 by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 36. Okay, 8 4 ja 32, sorry, 8 4 ja 32. So here it will be 9 minus 2, 7. So quotient is 4, remainder 7 and divisor 8. So here is the answer 4 7 by 8. Okay, 4 7 by 8. So my dear student, here exercise 2.1, it's a question 2 we are starting, that is arrange the following in descending order. Descending, it means we need to write in decreasing order. Decreasing order means from big number to small number. Fine. So that is the afterwards we will decide. But first of all, here you can see on your screen 3 fraction numbers are given. 3 fractional numbers are given. Now first question will occur in your mind, are they in like fraction? No, they are not in like fraction. Their denominator not similar. They are not in like fraction. So very first step, we need to take the LCM and bring them in like fraction. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21. What it will be there? Let's find it and we will write it here. Okay. For that, I am here showing you how to go with the LCM procedure. So you can see on your screen, here the numbers are 9, 3 and 21. No 2 is there. Okay, it's not divisible by 2. None of the number from these 3 number is divisible by 2. So let's work out with 3. We know 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 7 3 ja 21. Again we can go with 3, 1, 1 and here it will be 7. But 7 is also divisible by 7 only. So, according to this, if we work out, then the LCM will be 3 into 3 into 7. Fine. So, what it will be? 3 3 ja 9, 9 7 ja 63. So, finally, I should say the LCM will be 63. Clear? This is the procedure of finding the LCM at the same. Over there at the side by side you have to show. Fine. Now next step. Let's note down here 63 is an LCM. So we need to multiply 9 7 ja 63. 3 can be multiplied with 21. 21 3 ja 63 and here 21 3 ja 60. Fine. So keeping this thing in a mind, let's work out this 3 number. The individually 3 numbers are there. So I am writing it here individually. 2 by 9 first number, second 2 by 3 and third is 8 by 20. Fine. So see, look at your screen what I am going to do. I am writing this number similar, same. Fine. Now, as I have written with a small writing here, I am going to multiply and divide by 7 with this number. This number I am multiplying with 21 as I have mentioned here and dividing also with the same number. Here 21 is there, so I am going to multiply with 3 and this is also by divide by 3. So the number will become, now you can see the number will be 2 7 ja 14, 9 7 ja 63, 21 2 ja 42, 21 3 ja 63, 8 3 ja 24, 21 3 ja 63. Fine. Now look at your screen here, 63, 63, 63. Fine. All the way these numbers 63, 63, 63, all the ways these numbers they are in like fraction. Fine. So let's arrange them in ascending order. So we need to write arranging in descending order. Descending order according to the question. Descending order. So if I write in descending order, then of course I need to write big number. This number is bigger, 42 by 63. So let me write it first. 42 by 63, comma. Then 24 by 63, because less than this 42 is 24. And less than that again is a 14 by 16. This is the arranging in descending order. But my dear student, this is not the complete answer. Because answer is we have to give in questioning form. So which number is this? 42 upon 63 is which number? 2 by 3. I need to write 2 by 3, which is here because of descending order. So this number is bigger, right? This number is big. So 2 by 3 And next is 24 by 63 we have written, that is 8 by 21, which is greater than this 2 by 9. This is the correct solution. Here also even I request you 42 by 63 greater than this. This symbolized form you need to write. Okay, please give yourself habit of writing this way. 2 by 3 is greater than 8 by 21 greater than 2 by 9. How to read? 2 by 3 is greater than 8 by 21 is greater than 2 by 3. This is the right way of writing the given fractional number into descending order. Clear? So my dear student, again in the question number 2, it's the second part. What is the second part? 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. Okay, these three fractional number are given. We need to convert it into descending order. We have to bring them or arrange them in descending order. Fine. So in this procedure, first of all, let's decide, are the given three fractional number, they are in like fraction? No, because denominator is 5, here it is 7 and here it is 10. So what to do? First of all, let's work out on the LCM. So first step, let's bring them in like fraction. So LCM of 5, 7 and 10. Okay, LCM of 5, 7 and 10. Let's work out on this. LCM of 5, 7 and 10. It is side by side. I am finding their LCM here. So if I find their LCM, of course 2 is a factor of 10, so it will be divisible by 2 first. So I am mentioning 2. Then here it will be 5, here it will be 7, and this is 2, 5 is 10. Now 5 is there, so we will work out on 5. So here it will be 1, here it will be 7, and here it is 1. Again it will be divisible by 7, so 1, 1, 1. So simply I should say the LCM in that it is 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7 gives the result 2 5 is 10 plus 7. 2 5 is 10 into 7, that is 70. So the answer of LCM coming 70 here. Clear? So let's separate this much portion because this is we have to write here at the right side. Now let's work out on the number. Just observe here it is 70. 70. So here it is 5. So I need to multiply which number? So I need to multiply 5 is there already. So 7 2 ja 14. So this number will be multiplied with 14. Of course 7 is there. So 10 7 just 70 and 10 is already there. So we need to multiply by 7. Fine. So this is the way. First I am going to write the number that is 1 by 5. Here also 1 by 5. Here 3 by 7 another number is, so let me write here 3 by 7, then 7 upon 10, so let me write here 7 upon 10. Now the number which we have decided to go with that of the for the multiplication and division, I need to mention it here. Okay, as I have written with a small writing here, I want 14 as a numerator and denominator. With a small writing I mention, so 1 14 ja 14, 14 5 just 70. Clear? For this number I need to go with the 10. Right? Look at your screen. Here it is 10. 3 10 just 30. 10 7 just 70. Right? What to do with this? 7 is already here. So I need to go with the 7 and here with the 7. 7 7 just 49. 10 7 just 70. Okay? These are the numbers which we are gaining after the LCM procedure. Now you can see all these three numbers are in like fraction, 70 70 70 in denominator. Now it's easy to arrange them, so we need to mention here arranging in a descending order. Okay, arranging in descending order. Right? So what we have to do, first number will become, which number will come? First number, bigger number. So that is 49 by 70, which is greater than 30 by 70, and that is greater by 14 by 70. Fine. Therefore, Therefore, this is not the complete answer because answer should be in the asked question form. So, in such a case, 49 by 70 is related to 7 by 10. So, I need to write here 7 by 10 greater than. This number is related to 3 by 7. So, this is greater than, and this is 14 by 70 is related to 1 by. So 7 by 10 greater than 3 by 7 greater than 1 by 5. This is the descending order of the given question for fractional number. I hope question 2 is full clear to you.